Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the main food groups you should be eating from if you're pregnant. Fruits and vegetables. These promote healthy birth weight and reduce the risk for long-term health complications like diabetes and hypertension. Bread and grains. The body's main source of energy comes from essential carbohydrates. This also provides vitamins, minerals, and fibers that are necessary during pregnancy. Proteins. These provide vitamin B and iron needed in pregnancy. Iron helps to carry oxygen to the growing baby and prevents weakness and fatigue. Dairy products. Calcium is essential for building strong bones and normal blood clotting and for nerve function. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!